Add TailWindCSS to your Vite React project in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Go to TailWindCSS.com and click on Get Started. Step 2. Click on Frameworks Guide and select Vite. Open Command Prompt or Terminal in the Project folder. I am using VS Code Terminal to execute command. Copy and paste the command from Tailwind website and paste into the terminal to execute. Once the command is executed, it will create a Tailwind config file in the project folder. Open the config file. Go back to Tailwind website and copy the config content, paste into the file and save. Go back to the Tailwind CSS website and copy the Tailwind directives command. We will add this Tailwind directives to our index.css file. Once added, save the file. Now let's start the Vite server. Our Vite server is running and we can access the default website. Now we can test the Tailwind CSS classes. Let's go to app.js and add Tailwind CSS class. I will make the size of title 3XL. Save the file and go back to browser to see the changes. We can also change the properties using Inspect Element feature of browser for testing. And that's how we install the Tailwind CSS with Vite React project. Thank you for watching.